Hey, this is Cgaga 60 Inches Daily Tips. Subscribe to make your daily life easier. Spring onion oil noodles. 1. Ingredients: appropriate quantity chopped garlic, some spring onion sections, some ripe white sesame, some oil, 400 to 500 grams noodles, 6 spoons light soy oil, 2 spoons dark soy oil, 0.5 to 1 spoon white sugar. 2. Chop garlics, cut spring onion in sections, get sesame ready. 3. Make sauce, put light soy oil, dark soy oil and 0.5 spoons of white sugar into a bowl. If you don't like sweet flavor, you can do without sugar, or you can add 2 spoons if you like. 4. Heating some oil, sauté onion and garlic till they spread out flavor. The onion sections must be dry on the surface. 5. When slightly charred, pour down the sauce, turn light fire to make onion oil. 1 minute later, get the oil out. 6. Stew noodles. When noodles are cooked, drain them in cold water. 7. Put sesames and oil with noodles, whisk them together. Thanks for watching. Subscribe us for more tips.